Hello students, how are you? I'm Yashna Gupta. Today I will discuss about the chemical bonding and its molecular structure. For molecular structure, we have to know about the bond nature. Students, what is bond, how they are forming, how they are joining together. So simply we can say the interaction between the atom and between the molecule, they are forming a compound. So there is a need of bond. So bond you can say, in simple language, this is the interaction between the atom and molecule. So students, this concept is related to the 9th, 10th standard student, and but here concept ionic bond, covalent bond are related to the 9th, 10th, but in 11th standard another third type of bond is also there, coordinate bond. So this topic can understand, this is reliable for 9th, 10th and 11th standard students. So guys, we are starting today the bonds nature. So student, for the interaction of the bond nature, we will categorize the bonding in three types: ionic bonding, covalent bonding and coordinate bonding. First I am taking the ionic bond. What is ionic bond? So guys, ionic bond is bond where the acceptance and donation of the electrons takes place. Means is that one species will donate the electron and another will accept the electron. So I am depicted by very latest example. In common example you can say there is a sodium chloride. Here sodium contains the one electron in its outermost cell, so it will donate the one electron to chlorine, and chlorine contains the seven electron in its outermost cell, so it needed the one electron to complete their octet, and sodium is needed to donate one electron to complete their octet. Octet rule is very important to know about the bonds. So guys, octet is necessary. So if donation is there or acceptance is there, so then they are need to complete their octet. So guys, for this purpose, chlorine will accept one electron, and after the accepting the electron, its configuration will be 288. And after the donating one electron, sodium configuration is 282. So guys, they will complete their shells. So here you can see the species which is donating, that is positively charged. The species which is taking the, you can say accepting, that is a negatively charged. So you are watching here, the chloride contains the negatively because it is accepting one electron, and sodium is donating. So sodium carry positively, and chloride contains the negatively charged, and the bond between them, that is a ionic bond. Similarly, another example, magnesium chloride. In magnesium, the electrons are there, the outermost valence electron is 2 electrons. So you can see each magnesium will donate the electron, 2 electron for the each chlorine atom, so that each chlorine carry the negatively charged and magnesium is 2 positively charged. There is a lot of example, KCl, MgCl, HCl, there is a lot of example where the ionic bond is there. So guys, for the understand, the key points of ionic bond is that accepting and donating. Acceptor is always the negative and donor is always the positive. So let's continue about the covalent bond. So guys, there is a difference between the ionic and covalent. Covalent is formed by the sharing. There is no positive or negative, there is a sharing. There is no charge. But sharing means equally participate, both atom equally participate and equally shared electron to each other. Now you can see, for this purpose you can see the example CH for methane. Methane, here C is a central atom, it contains the 4 electron in its valence shell, and H is around it. You can see the butterfly structure. Here the H is sharing from carbon. Each hydrogen is sharing one electron, and a carbon is taking and giving one electron to each hydrogen. So they are sharing one electron to each, and so that they are making the single covalent bond. So guys, you can see in this. So here another covalent bond is there, doubly covalent bond, and how it is formed? Doubly, that is double bond is there. Double bond means is that two electrons are sharing to each other. So then you can see here carbon between the carbon double bond means is that in this place two electrons are sharing to each other, and here for hydrogen, for completing the shell, you can say completing the octet, they are sharing to each other, and for hydrogen they are making the duplet, and they are sharing like that. You can see this butterfly structure also. So this is the doll structure, and this is the example of ethene. It contains the carbon-carbon double bond. So this is the example of doubly covalent bond structure. Here there is a triply covalent bond structure. Triply, that is carbon-carbon between them. Triple bond is here. Triple bond means carbon is sharing three electron to another carbon, and another carbon also sharing the three electrons to another carbon. So guys, there is a triple bond between the carbon and they are making the acetylene structure, and this is known as the acetylene. You can say the general formula is C2H2. Where H is there? H is sharing the single bond, say one electron. Simply you can say if electron sharing one electron sharing, single bond is formed. If 2 electron is sharing, that is double bond is formed. If 3 electron is sharing, that is triple bond is formed. So this is the key point of sharing. Okay students, so guys, it is all about the covalent bond. So guys, there is a lot of example. Another example also you can make practice for KCl, that is ionic bond, and N2, Br2, Cl2. For this purpose, you can similarly you can do that. So guys, this is all about the ionic and covalent bond. And do you understand? Do you have any type of question here? So then we will discuss. So students, for understanding the coordinate bond, we have to know what is it and what are the other names. The other names of coordinate bond is dative bond and semipolar bond, and you can say coordinate bond. So guys, for the coordinate bond, I want to tell about the latest example, ammonium, how it is formed. So I will tell this is formed by the coordinate bond, and how structure is formed. So this will shown by the dot structure. So students, first we have to know what is ammonia. Ammonia, that is NH3. N is the central atom, N contain the 5 electron in its outermost shell, and each hydrogen contain only as usually 1 electron. So there is a sharing of the electron also, means covalent bond also included here. So, and there is an extra pair of electron. You can say they are the lone pair of electron. If it is donate to the another species, if it is donate to the another species, means is that in coordination bond a lone pair is donating to another species, means outer species is taking part to make the coordinate bond. So guys, let's see about NS3. You are seeing here there is a lone pair of electron. If it donate the lone pair of electron to hydrogen plus H positive, means proton, to proton, means H positive means there is a no electron, H positive, that is a 0 number of electron. So it is completely vacant, and it is needed to complete their duplet 2 electron. If it is taking the 2 pair of electron from nitrogen, so it has completed. So guys, you can see the pair of electron is donating by the nitrogen, and it forming ammonium. So in coordinate bond, you can say a pair of electron donated by the another species, by the central atom to another species. So here I am showing by the double-headed, you can say this is the double shared. I am showing 2 electrons. This is sharing like that, and it will form NH4 positive. So students, this is about ammonium. There is a lot of example whereas coordinate bond is formed. The easiest or example, other example is a hydronium, and you can say sulfuric acid, and another example. So you can make the practice and do again and again, and you have to know the basically there is a need of lone pair of electron. So guys, this is all about the ionic, covalent and the coordinate bond. Ionic bond, accepting and donating; covalent, sharing; and coordinate, donation by the lone pair of electron. So this is all about the basic concept about the bond formation. So guys, this video related to about the bonds. So we will discuss next concept in next video. If you have any type of doubt and questions, you can ask to me. Thank you.